In this video, we will introduce the basic installation and safety precautions for a rotary evaporator, using the N1300 model as an example. We will introduce the basic steps for installing and adjusting the driving unit, attaching the condenser and flasks, as well as the installation and precautions for other components in sequence. The parts that make up the N1300 model are shown in the figure. Please refer to the catalog for the detailed parts configuration of each model. Place the driving unit on the installation surface and check that the unit is stable. If it wobbles, adjust the level using the adjusters. Vertical adjustment is performed using the jack. Since it operates via a spring, there is significant upward force. When releasing the lock, hold down the top of the driving unit with your hand and control the elevation by adjusting the pressure applied by your hand. While firmly inserting the rotary joint into the main unit, hold the black lock housing and tighten the light blue lock sleeve by turning it clockwise. Additionally, fit the rotary joint ring onto the rotary joint and set it inside the flask removing screw. Next, here are the precautions regarding the installation of the vacuum seal. The vacuum seal consists of two parts. Please note that incorrect installation order or orientation of the main seal and subseal may result in poor vacuum levels or accelerated wear of the seals. Before attaching the condenser and flasks, first loosen the angle adjustment knob bolt, pull the drive unit forward, and insert the support rod fixing bracket between the drive unit and the jack. Then, attach the support rod fixing bracket set screws to the motor cover. Finally, tighten the angle adjustment knob bolt. Once ready, temporarily secure the condenser support rod to the support rod fixing bracket. Next, attach the condenser to the driving unit. Then, attach the condenser clamp to the support rod and secure the condenser. The receiving flask is secured to the condenser with a ball joint clamp. The sample flask is secured to the rotary joint with an eyelet clip. Finally, insert the capillary tube into the condenser and lower the jack to complete the setup. Please attach two gray cooling water nozzles, one white vacuum nozzle, and the blind cap to the condenser. Before installation, make sure that the nozzle gaskets are properly seated in their grooves. Finally, for reference, we will explain how to remove the rotary joint. Turn the flask removing screw counterclockwise to remove the sample flask. At that time, be sure to turn it only to the position where it does not come off from the light blue lock sleeve. Finally, while holding the black lock housing, turn the light blue lock sleeve counterclockwise and pull out the rotary joint. If you have questions or inquiries, please contact Isla or your local distributor.